like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis. I'm back again with another reaction video. So today we are gonna react to a music video straight out of Meghalaya called Kintyu Yala Kijong from DBRYN, Bigri and Vinon. So I'm very much eager and excited to react on this one. So Bigri from the Khasi Bloods, I'm a huge fan of him, and also Vinon, I know him. He is also a new fresh artist, dope artist from Meghalaya and DBRYN Records. A shout out to each and every. Without further ado, let's just dig in, dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this music video has for us on the table. And yeah guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram. You know, I follow Big Genuine Follower. This is my Instagram ID. Let's just jump straight into the music video and let's vibe into it, man. Let's go. Khasi Students Union, Jiao Circle. Do we have subtitle? Okay. Wow, amazing. Some traditional stuff. Traditional drum and all these ornaments and dress. Oi, Bigri and Vinon. Hey. Huge fan, Bigri. Hey. Hey.
ผู้รำอยู่เท่าหลังก็ไม่ลากะฮอกสารองยาลากะกำดาเลยเลงน้ำเกล็ดงาวันนะเองนักรีกระดุดกะงับงำชงคลิกที่อับจิงยารับงั้นเซย์ประเทศไอลากะซับกับประเดี๋ยวญี่ปุ่นกิจิงดูนาจิงเอกิบะบุนหับยาเล็งบ้าบันโอดมันตัวยับเตรติสตาหับเป็นตะเบ็ดยาลาดีมันลันจิงมาหับลาเกนฮัตเตอร์เป็นกะจิงเอ็มกับปักยาวัดลาสอกไรกะแมทท่ากิจัดบาลายะละบุนกันตาหับกระซอยยากะมันใหญ่ชะหับกระซิวอย่ามันเสียมรังบ้าขมุมารนาเคนยังอาขมุน้องเบลาเบมจาขบูลิงคาอุบะรับจิงชโนจิงสตาร์กิโดประทากาจิงชิชาเคลมแป๊บก็ลองบังอาเดวคาซีคูนโยตรักงั้นเอ็มกะจิงเอ็มกับปะชองนองริมหาดินจัดกีคลาวัดกีไก่จอร์กีนองรักรำยากะจงกีเวสารองยากะจงลาจงฮับปิดลุกซาในกีรีนองเวเดียวยากะจงลาจงอำทับยากะนามกาสปะประเทศมันเป็นพลังร้องพองเอ็มงี
And also I saw in Rapcon's Instagram story that this song is especially for, you know, the locals, local business, local artists, for them, like to empower them and to encourage people, you know, to support, you know, the local businesses, you know, the local artists, like vocal for local kind of song. And it's really amazing, man. I love when artists, you know, rappers from every field, you know, when they use their talent to raise their voice for this kind of issue. Huge respect to them. I wish there was subtitles. Hey. 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 Dope, man. This dude is. We really need to support our local, entrepreneurs, the businesses, the artists. When we see, our places in the northeast, especially when I talk about my Arunachal Pradesh, I see mostly people from outside. They are, running the businesses in each and every field, and the locals are staying, jobless. I mean, like, all the wealth are being accumulated by the outsiders, and we are staying, we were poor and staying poor. So we should really, encourage and support, the locals, vocals for locals. Hey. Hey. Hey, yum. Tamil. I really love that shirt, Bikri. What Bikri wore. Directed by Abdur Tron. Hey, amazing. The direction was really amazing. Awesome. Man, this music video was really amazing, though I do not understand the lyrics. I wish there was English subtitles. That would have been, really amazing. But yeah, man, they really nailed it. The flow was awesome. The music was crazy. It was dope. And also the cinematography. And I love the way they showed each and every nook and corner of their place, with the bazaars, with all these businesses going on here and there. That was really great. And yeah, man, shout out to the whole team who has worked in this, project. Special shout out to DBRYN Records, and a special shout out and a huge respect to Bikri from the Khasi Bloods, and also shout out to Vinon, one of the dopest, rapper that I have seen from Meghalaya. He is gonna shine, and I know Vinon is gonna make it really big in the coming days. Of course, he's already doing it great, but more to come. And yeah, man, keep coming in with more tracks like this. And yeah, man, shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing. Kublai Shibun to each and every one of you. Amen. Northeast for life. Here we go.